Hi everyone, this is Smriti. Welcome to the series Learn to Draw with Smriti. This is going to be step-by-step tutorial in which I will give you one lesson every day and you can draw along with me. I will tell you easiest way to learn drawing and also about the mistakes we all do. The prime motive of the series is to make drawing accessible and affordable to everybody. I will give my full efforts to make your skills grow from beginners to advanced level, but I want a promise from you all that you will give this your 100% efforts. Will you? Let's start with the most basic material we would need in the beginning. First, drawing sheet. I will ask you to buy ivory sheet. It's not very costly and it's very easily available on any local stationery, or you can also order it online. It's very cheap. In 30 rupees you will get around 30 sheets. You can also use any drawing sheet with a smooth surface. HB pencil for drawing. For today's session we will only need this, but I would highly recommend you to buy a set of pencils of all various grades, and it wouldn't cost you much. It will be around rupees 45. I would highly suggest you to buy Artline pencils because this is the cheapest brand you can buy, and it's very good for beginners as well as advanced level drawing. You can buy it online. I will provide its link in the description, or you can also buy it from any local stationery if it's available. Okay, we are good to go. Yeah, you have to have an eraser obviously. Let's start with today's lesson. When you're asked to draw a line, does your hands tremble like this? When you have to draw a line, you tend to make dark lines like this. So the first thing you need to learn is to have better control on your pencil. Try to hold pencil like this. I hold in a weird way. You don't have to hold it like me, but try to hold it a little bit away from the lid. See, when I draw a line with light pressure on pencil, and after if I erase it, I see no damage on paper, and I can erase it as many times as I want. But if I make a darker line, then it's very hard to erase and it leaves this trace on paper. So we need to avoid this and to have a better control on pencil. So try to make a line with very light pressure on paper. Now I will show you some exercises by which you can improve your line quality. See, whatever sketch you make is basically a series of lines, and the way you draw a line, the quality of your line will make a huge difference in your sketches. Now draw a line on paper. See, if you will make these kind of sharp edges and dark edges, you cannot continue this line or blend this line. So try to draw a line and think it of as an airplane landing and taking off. See, when it lands, it will continue for some time and then it will take off. So your edges should be very smooth so that you can continue the line like I am drawing here. Now I will show you some exercises by which you can improve your line quality. See, whatever sketch you make is basically a series of lines, and the way you draw a line, the quality of your line will make a huge difference in your sketches. Now, hope you got it. Now take a piece of paper. I will tell you the exercise we are going to do for this, and draw a vertical line, and in the same way I told you, the edges should be very smooth. Now make a horizontal line in the center of the vertical line. In the first quadrant, draw horizontal lines and draw subsequently many horizontal lines, and you have to fill this quadrant with these horizontal lines only. Don't worry, you don't have to do this all today. You can fill it half and then you can do it tomorrow and whenever you get time. You have to do this line practice every day or whenever you can, because this gonna make a huge difference in your sketches. Don't worry if you can't draw a straight line and your hands are trembling. It's okay, it will get better with practice. I know it's very boring. Starting of anything is very boring literally, but keep doing it. You can on TV or whatever, or good music while doing this, but do this. I am telling you, please do this. Don't give up. In the second quadrant, draw vertical lines. Don't panic if you're not able to draw the way I am doing. I know it would be difficult initially, but it will get better with time, believe me. In third quadrant, draw a line diagonally. Keep making lines in the same direction and then reverse direction. And in the fourth quadrant also, draw a line diagonally and keep making lines in this direction and then in the reverse direction. Now the boring part is done for today. You have to do this though. You have to complete this. You can do it half, fill all quadrants half, and then you can do it sometime later. And now for everyday task, you have to give your 15 minutes to practice drawing. I will show you one drawing you can make in those 15 minutes, or you can choose it by your own, whatever you want to draw in that 15 minutes. But you have to sketch something daily, and believe me, it will make a huge difference in your sketching if you practice daily. You just have to spare your 15 minutes every day. So we are going to make Winnie the Pooh. That's all for today's session. Do this today. I will join you tomorrow. And yes, comment below if you find any difficulty. I will try to reply you as soon as possible. And you can also tag me in your sketches on Instagram so that I can see what you have done. And thank you. Bye bye. Hope you found it useful. Please subscribe and share. Bye bye.